Hello, I'm Michael Isa, Senior Director of Product Management for Huawei Storage product line. In this video, I will prove some of the key data reduction technologies available on Dorado V3 all-flash storage. One of the many differentiators we have on Dorado V3 all-flash storage is our data reduction technology. In fact, Huawei provides a guarantee on a data reduction with OceanStor Dorado V3. That's right, a guarantee. We have so much confidence in our data reduction technology that Huawei can easily achieve 3-to-1 data reduction on OceanStor Dorado V3 all-flash storage. Let me briefly highlight the technology that allows us to do so and further discuss Huawei's 3-to-1 data reduction guarantee. Huawei's data reduction technology is based upon an I/O acceleration chipset using inline dedupe and compression. The I/O acceleration chipset is responsible for a variety of compression, decompression, and fingerprint algorithm, offloading the main system's CPU. Huawei's I/O acceleration chipset has integrated the compression and decompression algorithm engines in hardware instead of software. Let us discuss the details behind Huawei's 3-to-1 data reduction guarantee. For example, if you have a use case where you are running an OLTP OLAP database or a virtual desktop infrastructure VDI and would like to place this workload on OceanStor Dorado V3 in compliance with Huawei's deployment regulations and best practice, Huawei promises an impressive 3-to-1 data reduction guarantee. If not met, Huawei will be liable to supply you with an additional system free of charge. Huawei's 3-to-1 data reduction capability have been proven in testing and deployments, and this is not a marketing advertisement or buy one get one free per se, as seen on TV. Let's see how that's done on an actual test. For example, one test use case leveraging Oracle database deployment with dedupe and compression features turned on Dorado V3 are shown here. We have 4 sets of Huawei servers RH2288s, one Huawei Oracle Dorado OceanStor V3, and we have 2 16-gig fiber switches to form a dual switch network completed with 2 dual-node Oracle rack environment for testing. After the configurations were completed, the test was conducted using these 2 scenarios. The first, we populated 1 terabyte of data into the databases, after which performance was observed. An impressive 7-to-1 data reduction rate was achieved, equating to 87% savings in storage space. These numbers far exceeded the 3-to-1 rate Huawei publicized, which is an attestament of Huawei's dedupe and compression technologies and why Huawei stands behind the 3-to-1 data reduction guarantee. But wait a minute, if you're a skeptic like me, you may be thinking, well, but isn't real-life data dynamic and not static? For example, a blog site has users who are publishing and amending their blogs, responding to comments, updating their materials, and performing many other types of operations entailing updates to the database. When a change is made to the data, there will also be an effect on the data reduction ratio. In other words, the data reduction rate will change over time. Well, in this case, let me share with you the second test scenarios that we conducted. We adjusted the load test parameters and ran the test script for 100 consecutive days of load testing to simulate the changes in the data that takes place on live networks. We observed the compression rate and the storage during a long-term load testing process. After 100 continuous days of testing, of writes and updates to the database, the results were also impressive. A 5-to-1 data reduction rate was achieved. Huawei's guarantee of a 3-to-1 data reduction ratio, which is by all measures a rather conservative commitment considering the various use cases of workload profiles, is simply one way to highlight Huawei's dedupe and compression strength.